Hello, winch again. Hello guys, I just figured out that I could freaking pause it. And wait, what am I doing? Freaking awesome, dude. Well, anyways, let's get freaking back to it. 100% impossible, but you can't beat this. It's usually the Pokemon, man. Usually. Bet this freaking mind. Wait. Oh man, I can't. What am I supposed to do? Oh, I see. Under construction. Wait, let me put the camera direct. Oh, well, apparently I can't. No way to beat it. Fall without thorns. Smash or no smash? Let's see. And I still win. Smash or smash? Oh, I thought it was smash or don't smash. I don't know that one. Don't move short. Yeah, but what are you supposed to not use? It's obviously not him. Who the heck are you supposed to use? Alright, I guess. Pogo guy. Oh, it was a Pogo guy. Ow. Ow. You do not know how loud that was. Oh my god. That just hurt my ears. Types of parasites 1. Oh no. What the? Ow. Alright. Not today. Oh god. He's still not broken in pieces. Yep. Dang it. See if the old man can do it. Parasites won't let me move. Oh, there's no ending either. Finally someone YouTube. Spartan Zach. Can we move this thing? No. So we're gonna kill somebody with that or something? Challenge V2, right? Get in the box so you can win. No! Alright, I see this. One of those kind of levels. No, dude! No! perfect if I would have went in. Oh, go on. Don't. Yes. Gonna box like win version 2 over my kind. Alright. Sword throw. Alright, let me get my hands free. Alright. Jesus freaking. Alright. Don't. Oh, you were serious. Oh. I'm terrible at sword throws. I'm so good at ball throws, but not sword throws. This has to be a win-win with 2 swords and 2 people. I have to make it. If I can freaking get the sword. Get the freaking sword, dude. Oh. Couldn't win that. Okay, so I got bored and I didn't want to do my homework, so I decided to play this game. Instead of make a bad level that no one would play it. It's really pointless to enjoy. Yeah, that's what I did do. Yeah, there's something wrong. This guy used a glitch. Oh, I see. He used like a bunch of points. Come on, bro. So I'm also gonna be doing jokes and stuff. I'm gonna be doing like other stuff for other videos. 99.999999999 possible.
Get ready for the time of your life.
Oh. I can do this. Come on, Grandpa. Oh, don't. It's alright, dude. Not. Oh! Don't drop that. Oh! Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that right there? What? Alright. Freaking. Alright. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, that's this dude up here. Come on, dude, go up. Internet's going kind of slow today. Do car lift. Car lift. Are you serious? I never got how to use that. No. I need to learn how to use the freaking thing. Oh. How did I break my neck? Are you serious? How did I break my neck? I didn't freaking press it. I need to learn how to do a construction change. Oh, I see. Doesn't work. And I can't do anything about it. Just a Amoeba blender. Oh, I don't even know how to use this. This dude. Since I'm almost out of time, I have like 4 more minutes till the video ends. Nope. No, you don't. Wow. Wow. Zero gravity battle. I'm not gonna do get the one. You know, I guess I will. I'm just doing this video because I'm bored. How am I supposed to get the coins like that? Why? Are you? Oh my god. I don't get that. So gravity fight. I can tell this is gonna be fun. And where are the monsters? Monsters. Oh my god. I got a sword in my stomach. And I'm still alive. That looks so wrong from an angle. You get off of me, dude. Dude, you're a boy too. Get off of me. I'm done. Oh, yeah. Ow. That's so sad. Let me try that. Oh, no. Oh, I still got it. Ugh. Oh, yeah. Oh, where's the old man? What? He got me. He got me. Stab myself. Oh no, don't stab me. Don't stab me. Oh, I'm dead. I'm so freaking dead. And I'll see you guys on the next level, because it's kind of awkward. Alright guys, we just entered a new level, and we're going to be doing a rope swing. Another rope swing. Alright, let's go. Well, I just about got stopped here. My time is out. And I'll see you guys in the next